Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mac privacy controls with Safari tracking prevention, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by turning on your Mac. Open the system preferences by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. In System Preferences, locate and click on Security and Privacy. Select the Privacy tab at the top of the window. In the left sidebar, you will see various options related to privacy. Click on Location Services to manage location settings. Ensure that Location Services is enabled by checking the box. Scroll down to find System Services and click on Details. Here, you can see which apps and services have access to your location. Make your selections based on your privacy preferences. Now, return to the main Privacy tab. Click on Tracking to manage app tracking across your device. Ensure the box for Allow apps to request to track is unchecked if you wish to limit tracking. Now, let's open Safari to adjust its settings. Open Safari by clicking on the Safari icon in your dock. In Safari, click on Safari in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Click on the Privacy tab within the Preferences window. In the privacy settings, check the box that says Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This will help block third-party cookies and data tracking. You can also choose to block all cookies by checking the box for Block All Cookies. Next, go to the Websites tab at the top of the Here, you can manage permissions for individual websites. Review the websites listed and adjust settings for location, camera, microphone, and notifications as needed. Close the Preferences window to save your changes. Your Mac's privacy controls are now set up, enhancing your security while using Safari. Remember to periodically review these settings to ensure they align with your privacy preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.